there drummers, Gary here with Little Kids Rock, and in this lesson we're going to learn the first drum groove. First we're going to play it on the body drum set, and then we're going to hop on the real drum set. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, kick, snare, kick, snare, kick, snare, kick, snare. Join in with me. Try it yourself. And you can see it above my head. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. And stop. Excellent. Okay, now let's see what it sounds like on the real drum set. 1, 2, kick and snare. Really feel that groove.